Hi. Have you ever been on a web page and you saw something that you wanted to share with your players, but you just didn't know how to get that to them other than copying a link and sending a link and letting them figure it out for themselves? Well, if you've had that problem, I've got an extension for you that you're going to love. Today on Tech Your Game. Hi, and welcome back to Tech Your Game. Today we're going to talk about a Google extension that I think you're really going to like. That extension can be found in the Chrome Web Store, like anything else, and it's called Screencastify. Okay, and there's an app and there's a Screencastify extension. We're just going to use the extension because the extension works great. So you click on Add Extension, and it's going to go ahead and load it up for you. And the great thing about this extension is, I'm going to go ahead and click on it, is it links in with your Google Drive. So everything you record will be stored automatically to your Google Drive. You can delete it out later if you want to. You can convert it into a video that you can use on YouTube if you want to create a channel there. But Google Drive's movie files can be shared with your players directly from Drive. So we're going to go ahead and let this be stored on Google Drive. Click on Next. I'm going to sign in. Just going to choose my account. Okay, and then it's going to say you do not have anything recorded yet. No, I haven't done anything yet. So say I am watching a lacrosse game on YouTube. This is just a game I have queued up. And to run a screencast, all you have to do is you come up to the Screencastify extension right here, click on it, and it's going to ask you how you want to record this. Now you can record your whole desktop, so you can leave that selected. You can record just a camera. In this case, it'll go find the camera. In this case, my FaceTime camera is being used right now, so it won't use it. Or you could record the tab. Okay, I just want to record this tab, this YouTube video tab. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to select the microphone so it uses my, I'm going to go ahead and use my built-in microphone. And then I could embed the video cam and show my face right there inserted on the video. In this case, I'm not going to do that because I'm using the camera to make this video. And then I can just go ahead and for 5 minutes or less, I can use this for free. If you want to use more than 5 minutes, you click on the upgrade, you can buy more time. 5 minutes should be plenty. Okay, so we're going to say set up for tab recording. Screencastify needs to read and change your information, and it's ready to go. So I'm going to click on it again. I'm going to say record tab, and it's going to count down.
3, 2, 1.
And now it's recording. So I can go ahead inside and play this YouTube video. And if I want to stop it and talk about what they did here, and I can say, all right, notice how this player drove in and drew the slide, which allowed his teammate to pop out into this zone and get an open shot on goal. All right. Now, if I want to erase all that stuff, I just hit Option Z. It's all gone. I can play the video forward. And we can see that the shot was in fact made. And then we can stop recording. I'll just come up here. I'll click on End Recording. And what it's automatically
and now it's recording. So I can go ahead inside and play this YouTube video.
Okay, as you notice, it immediately starts to play it back for me in the edit screen. Okay, right here are the controls where I can start.
And if I want to stop
the video, and up here I can trim it. Okay, I can trim it if I want. I think this is a premium upgrade feature, so let me go ahead and try that. Okay, this feature requires paid Screencastify, and I don't want to do that, so I'll obviously back out of that. But what you can do from this point, I could crop it. There are other functions, like I said, that's a premium feature, so I'm going to cancel. And now it's recorded. So I can go ahead. And right here, it's uploaded to Google Drive, stored on Drive. Right? So I can save it to my disk. I can immediately share it with my team. I can crop it and trim it, like I said before. It's a premium upgrade, or I can just delete it if I don't like it. If I don't like it, I can delete it and do it again. In this case, it's stored on Drive. I click on it, and it'll show me exactly where it is. It'll show me the movie right here on Drive. And there you have it. All of the stuff that I just recorded is on my drive. It's a 57-second video. I can come up here, I can share it, and I can just share it directly with the team. I can go into my Google Classroom. I can take that link, create a shareable link. Anyone can view, copy the link, go to the classroom, and create an announcement. Put the link in, and I could post it that way. And it would be out there right away, and they could view that video, get what I got out of that video in an instant, in a 1-minute video, and be informed about what it is that I want to inform them about. If you make these short, to the point, your kids are going to love it. They can access it here on the classroom, or you can just share it directly from your drive like I just showed you. Okay, go to the drive and send that to them directly by putting their email in down here. Okay, so any way you want to use it, if you want to go to a website, just a regular website, I can go here. I can click on record tab. Again, it'll count
3,
down.
2, 1.
It's now recording. I can go through this and I can say, please watch this video from halfway through on, and then please watch this video. Again, I can communicate this a lot of different ways, but it's very simple to just go in here, click on record it.
It's now recording.
Again, it comes back and plays up for me. And as you can see, the little cloud icon here is filling up, and it's now stored on Google Drive. Okay, and if I don't like that, obviously that's not something I want to keep right now. I'll just delete it, and I can redo it at any time. The other one that I just did will show up here in my recordings, and I can reshare that anytime I need to. It'll be maintained on my drive until I get rid of it. So I don't know about you, but I can use this in a number of different ways. Editing websites, editing videos on websites. I know you have access to doing this, many of you, in your Huddle or Coach's Eye video programs, but this is free and integrated with all your Google apps, so you can instantaneously push it to your kids and get that information to them. No subscriptions, no additional signups, none of that. Everything through Google Drive and Google Tools. So I hope this is helpful. I tried to make this short. Hopefully, if you have any questions, just put them down in the comments and I'll get back to you. Have a great day. Use Screencastify. You're going to love it.